Hello everyone, this is the IWT Manual project. The topic for this project is JavaScript Framework, Introduction to Popular Frameworks and How to Build a Simple Project with JavaScript Framework. This is submitted to Professor Praveen Manolia sir and submitted by Sakshi Pachani. Now, the contents for the PPT are: what are JavaScript frameworks, why use frameworks, popular JavaScript frameworks, building a simple project, and demo showing creating a basic web app. Conclusion. What are JavaScript frameworks? So, JavaScript frameworks are pre-written, reusable code libraries that provide a structured way to develop web applications. They offer a set of tools, libraries, and conventions to streamline the development process. Why do we need to use frameworks? So, the basic idea of using the frameworks is that there are many benefits of it using it. First is for faster development. Secondly, we can use also reuse the code, that is the code reusability. Third is the enhanced organization. Fourth is the improved maintainability. Fifth is the easier collaboration. And lastly, not the least, is the strong community support. Now, the popular JavaScript frameworks, as you can see, are React, Angular, and Vue.js. So, React is actually developed by Facebook and it is ideal for building user interfaces. Secondly, the Angular is developed by Google and it is a comprehensive front-end framework. Third is the Vue.js, which is lightweight progressive framework and is versatile for various project sizes. Now, you can see these are the various types of framework of JavaScript: Angular, Vue, React, Ember, Node, Backbone, Meteor, etc. Now, now we would be making a project using one framework, that is React. So we would be building to-do list app with React framework. So step one would be we need to set up our development environment in VS Code. For that, we will install Node.js. We will download and install Node.js. This will also include npm Node Package Manager. Secondly, we will install Create React App. We will open our terminal and as shown below, we will run the following commands: npm install -g flag create React app, which is used to install Create React app globally. Secondly, Step 2 is we would be creating a new React app. So open your terminal and create a new React app. For that, in terminal, we have to write the command npx create React app to do list. Now we would be changing our working directory to the new app so as to all the changes we will be doing in the main directory, that is the working directory, and that is cd to do list. Third step comes is to create the to-do list components. Okay, so the web app we would be making would be having various components like header, footer, and the main. So for that we will be creating components and like header.js. We as you can see, this code would be included in the header of the web app. Secondly, so now we will be making a home.jsx file. Okay, in that we would be using the submit handler function, and we would be importing the task file from task component. We would be also making delete task function, and so basically in our to-do list, if we want to add a task and then delete it, then this delete task function would be called. It would check the index and accordingly it will return the index and would console log the output of the deleted task. Now, secondly, what we would be doing is that we would be making a task app. So in that we would write item title, item description, etc. As you can see from the code here. Now we would be creating a task.js file in the component section. And in this, as you can see, we wrote in the paragraph first section title, in span section description. And on clicking the button, as you can see, the delete task function would be called. So that would be going to there in that home page and executing the function. Now, in the source folder of to-do list app, we will be creating an app.js file. So, app.js file is the main file of the React web app. Here, as you can see, there are two components: header and home. Home file we just wrote, and header you got this due that tagline we wrote earlier. So, we would be including those files with the help of, as you can see, import header and import home is present. Now we would be creating a folder to-do list app index.js. Okay, so in index.js, we would be rendering the root element. Now the very important thing is styling of the web app. So in this we have included app.css file and the universal, as you can see, universal styling is margin 0%, padding 0%, and font family is loudest cursor. And we also imported a font by Google APIs, and then navbar styling, container styling, and is different. This is the whole this is the whole CSS which would be needed for our application. All the task button, task hover, task pan, etc. Now this is the final React app we made using React framework. As you can see, the header you got this dude is above. We're running this on localhost 3000 port, and you can write the title, you can write the description. When you click on the add button, it would be included below the task of yours. And if you want to delete this, you can use this minus sign over there to delete the task. So that's it for the project of explaining JavaScript frameworks, and we also built a small mini to-do list app using the React framework. Thank you.